It's not your fault. When you've been through trauma, your body can suddenly feel like it's betraying you. Desire fades, intimacy feels distant, and you start wondering if something inside you is broken. But you're not broken. Your nervous system is protecting you. After trauma, the brain often rewires the link between love and danger. Instead of desire, your body triggers survival. It thinks connection equals threat. That's why moments that should bring closeness can suddenly bring fear, numbness, or even disgust. It's not weakness, it's your biology trying to keep you safe. Psychologists call this the survival response. When your body senses danger, it shuts down non-essential systems, including desire. It's the same mechanism that slows digestion when you're running from a threat. In those moments, your body is saying, pleasure can wait, safety comes first. But here's the truth. Your body isn't against you, it's defending you, and defenses can be retrained. You can reset the nervous system so that intimacy no longer feels like a threat. The first step is safety. You cannot force desire back with pressure or guilt. Instead, start with calm presence. Breathe deeply. Place a hand over your heart. Tell your body, you're safe now. Even small, gentle acts of self-compassion send signals to the vagus nerve that the danger is over. The second step is rebuilding trust. Trauma erodes trust not just with others, but with yourself. This is where small, consistent, safe experiences matter. Taking time for rituals of self-care, building non-sexual closeness, or working with a trauma-informed therapist can slowly rewire your nervous system. Each safe experience whispers to your body, pleasure is safe again. The final step is rewriting the story. Trauma tells you that you're broken, unlovable, or that your worth is tied to your performance. But healing reminds you that your worth never disappeared. It was always there, simply hidden under the weight of survival. When you give yourself permission to heal at your pace, shame begins to dissolve. Your body isn't betraying you. It's been protecting you. And now you can teach it something new, that safety and intimacy can exist together. Desire doesn't vanish forever. It waits patiently for the day your body feels safe enough to welcome it back. If this message helped you see your healing differently, share it with someone who needs hope. And subscribe for more tools to rebuild strength, self-worth, and intimacy after trauma.